Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we're going to be looking at the Summer Deluxe Stairway Simple to Secure Wood Grate. No instructions come in this box. At least I haven't found them. So this box here, this gate as we're calling it, is 30 inches to 48 inches. It's 32 inches high. It's going right here where Grace is pouting. In between here, this is very wide. This is 44 inches. So we're just making it.
The reason we're putting it here is because our baby brother over here, he tries to climb up the stairs. So what we had to use is bins to block them.
That is true. So we got a gate. And the gate comes with these pieces. All right, Gracie. It comes with these pieces. This is the latch. These are your wall mounts here. Here's some screws. There's also drywall screws in there that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together. My wife did buy this extra piece here that it said you can use to help mount onto, since we have this bottom rail here that kind of has this little spindle thing and it's rounded. But I actually think I'm going to be able to do it because I'm just going to drill right in here, because after I could just finish that and re-prime it so it just blends right in. So they make wood putty to go in there if I put any holes in it. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to go ahead and do this and then explain what I did. All right, so here we are all finished up. So what I did is these little brackets here, actually you could unscrew here and actually put these up or down if you want to. You could have one down and then you could have one pointing up. I put both of mine down. I have a stud going here. You can see on my outlet there's a stud that runs along here. I was able to catch it up here, but it must be a little crooked because down below I only caught it with the one screw. So I did end up using a wall anchor here. And then this door actually swivels. So to put these on, you could actually just pull this up and it comes on. So I put both of those brackets on first. And what's handy is they give you this little stencil to use. So I was able to put this stencil on. And you just line that up the way you want on your top. And then down below, it matches up too. Mine was a little different because I had to actually angle it out, and that's actually probably why I missed a stud. Mine's not exactly even going down. It slants out a little bit. So down on this side, it does come out just because I wanted it to be over the first lip of these steps. I wanted it to hang over. And then here on the banister, I put in this top bracket first. I just actually clipped it on to here. I clipped it, and then I drilled in my first screw and then pulled it out and went from there. And then at the bottom, this is just a guide bar. So when the bottom piece, which is right here, comes in, it just sits in there and kind of holds it in place. So I went ahead and put that back on. You can see it closes. That's actually a really nice feature because then when you go up the steps, you can just keep the door open or closed. So to close it like this, and then I grab this part, just bring it around, and you want to make sure you line up that bottom. You can see there, and then the top as well. And then it is secure in place, no moving. So this little guy here, try to go up them steps, bud. It ain't gonna work.
Proceed.
Not this time. You'll find a way. There ain't no doubt about it. Well, if you like this review, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I want to thank you for watching another random review and how to. Rossi say peace.